I'm Chris Hudick, Technical Sales Manager for the Karnak Corporation. 220 fibered emulsion is a great black asphalt coating that can be used by itself on weathered, alligatored asphalt roofs to give an extra layer of protection from the weather. It also is a great coating to put down as a prime coat prior to putting down a reflective coating of either silver or white elastomeric coating. To apply the 220 fibered asphalt emulsion, we're going to need a few tools for the project. The first one, besides gloves and safety glasses, we're going to need a good stiff broom to help clean the surface. A soft fibered brush is best to apply this product. 220 can also be sprayed with airless spray equipment. A 1/2-inch mixer with a Jiffy type blade on it. In order to use the 220 fibered emulsion, it's going to have to be mixed properly. And throttle easily so that the material doesn't spray all over you. Now that I've mixed the material, the next step is to clean the surface to which we're going to apply the 220. I'm now going to take the material, I'm going to pour it onto the roof. Rather than just pour it into one big puddle, I'm going to pour a line of it so that I can easily brush that onto the roof itself. When you're brushing the material, you want to work it in all different directions to get into the cracks and crevices of the alligatoring on the roof. Apply the 220 emulsion at 4 gallons per 100 square feet. That's equivalent to about 1/16 of an inch thick. On smooth built-up roofs that have heavily alligatored surfaces or they've had an active leak history, it's recommended to actually reinforce the emulsion coating. We're going to do that with 3036 polymat. That's a great way to actually strengthen the coating, bridge over the cracks and gaps, and really seal it up. It also is a great alternative to roof replacement as long as the insulation and the roofing system itself is dry. If there is anything wet, always cut that out and replace it with like materials first. First step here is to put some emulsion coating down of the 220. I want to make sure I go a little bit wider than my fabric, which is 40 inches, and out only about 5 to 6 feet. That way the material stays wet so it can fully saturate the 3036 polyester membrane. Next I'm going to take my roll and lay it into the wet emulsion coating. Remember, only roll out a small amount. The coating has to be wet to fully saturate the fabric. Then it's good to take your brush and just kind of go over top of it here. That's going to push the coating to the bottom and up through the fabric. Once that's done, we're going to take some more 220 emulsion, put it over top to completely cover the fabric. After you've put the second coat of 220 emulsion over top of the 3036 polymat, you see it makes a nice monolithic coating reinforced system over top of this roof. Remember to continue this process working in small sections from 5 to 10 feet at a time. For more information, visit karnakcorp.com.